Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is a bit personal and honestly controversial also. Why Hindi medium is a curse? Why Hindi medium is a curse? Now, before you get triggered, I am not blaming the language, not at all. I am talking about the problems that many of us face because of studying in a Hindi medium background, especially when we come from poor or lower middle class families and want to build a decent career for ourselves. I have seen so many students struggling to land a decent job, even after scoring top grades in school and colleges. And you know what's common among them? They all studied in Hindi medium or other local state language schools coming from lower middle class families. Their marks are excellent, but in real life, they are losing all the opportunities, not even getting a job. Because no one tells you this bitter truth. Your communication skills matter more than your marks. Your communication skills matter more than your marks. Without confident English speaking, every degree, every certification feels useless in the corporate world. So, if you relate to this story or if you are struggling with English right now, please watch this video till the end because I'll share a few tips that can completely change the direction of your career. Now, let me share my story. I come from a lower middle class family. My schooling was in a typical government school, completely Hindi medium. I was an above average student, scoring good marks, and after 10th, my teachers suggested that I should take science. That's where the trouble began. 11th was already tough, but with all subjects suddenly in English, it became hell for me. I couldn't remember words. I couldn't write a good paragraph. And because of peer pressure, I joined IIT coaching as well. This pressure crushed me. I failed 11th standard. Just last year I was a topper and suddenly I became a joke. People laughed behind my back. People laughed behind my back and my family started humiliating me instead of supporting me. That's when I learned. In our society, people only love you when you succeed. People only love you when you succeed. Somehow I managed to pass 12th with just 56% marks and I was devastated, no guidance, no direction. Somehow I ended up in a tier 3 private college. There my academics improved, my confidence grew, but I never worked on my communication skills because nobody told me. I thought technical skills were more than enough. Then came the placements. Very few companies visited our college, so I was dependent on the off-campus drives. I faced 10 back-to-back HR interview rejections in a row. Frustrated, I begged one HR for feedback. She said, Aftab, your communication skills are bad. You have a strong mother tongue influence. That hit me like a truck. I could read and write English well, but I couldn't express myself confidently. And if you can't do that, all your degrees, all your marks, all your certifications means zero. Nothing. Here is the truth nobody tells you. You can't become a fluent English speaker overnight. Hindi medium schools give you terrible foundations. They give you terrible foundations. They teach grammar, which is useless for speaking. Yes, believe me, you do not need grammar to speak good English. You do not need grammar to speak good English. Teachers make this language harder than it is. Once I realized this, I started changing. I worked with startups, improved my communication skills, and eventually landed in a big MNC with great package. But it took years and I wish someone had told me this earlier. If you are from a Hindi medium background, listen carefully. These tips can fast track your career growth. Tip number 1. Limit Hindi consumption. Limit Hindi consumption. Stop watching Hindi news channels, reading Hindi newspapers, or only listening to Hindi YouTube channels. Immerse yourself in English every single day. Ask yourself, have you ever seen a politician's kid studying in a Hindi medium? Exactly. Tip number 2. Dress sharp. People judge you before you speak. Always dress one level better than the crowd. Always dress one level better than the crowd. Change your hairstyle. Upgrade your dressing sense. Trust me, overdressing is better than underdressing. Tip number 3. Master public speaking. Strong communication in English is a career game changer. You can join Toastmasters or any other English speaking club. Practice every day, even if you make mistakes. Tip number 4. Don't fall for emotional guilt. Respect your parents, but don't let emotional pressure make your career choices. Successful people think differently. They talk to successful people before deciding your future. Tip number 5. Choose your circle wisely. You are the average of the 5 people you spend time with. If you hang out with negative or lazy people, you will stay the same. Surround yourself with ambitious, positive people. They'll push you to grow. And remember, your background does not define your future. Your mindset and actions do. I know many of you are facing the same struggles I faced years ago. Hindi medium isn't your fault, but staying back, staying stuck is your fault. Start today. Speak one line in English. Watch English content. Build your confidence. Your background may be small, but your dreams don't have to be. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.